To close out this video series, we'll go through Ethereum's value proposition. The Ethereum network's transition to proof of stake does alter some of the tokenomics and considerations for the investment in the ETH token itself. Today, ETH's use case is to function both as the native currency for transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and as collateral for proof of stake validators. Once changed to proof of stake, ETH became a vital part of the network security and transformed into a yield-bearing asset. Under proof of stake, ETH offers the ability to function in a similar capacity to application-specific miners on a proof-of-work blockchain, only these ETH miners are non-depreciating and can be used or traded along the network. ETH as a consensus validating asset means that overall network usage and the importance of maintaining adequate security will be a potential driving force for future price appreciation of the asset. The combination of the Ethereum blockchain, its native ETH token, non-native tokens, and smart contracts make for a multi-purpose platform which allows developers to mold applications for their desired use case. This is why many refer to the Ethereum network as a world-distributed computer. In the Ethereum white paper, Vitalik Buterin described how these pieces all come together and what it creates, saying, Ethereum does this by building what is essentially the ultimate abstract foundational layer, a blockchain with a built-in Turing-complete programming language, allowing anyone to write smart contracts and decentralized applications where they can create their own arbitrary rules for ownership, transaction formats, and state transition functions. The core value proposition for Ether grows as the number of tokens, smart contracts, and developers choosing to interact with the Ethereum network increases. We hope you found this series helpful as a starting point in learning more about Ethereum. Thank you for listening.